Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. Let's get into it. Check it out. This is the original Ipsy Glam Bag. It is $13. You will pay $2, I think $1.99 handling, so it makes it $15. We will have 5 deluxe samples. You might have some full-size products. You get one choice, and it will come in a cute little bag. Let's get right into it. Glambag was the very first video that I made for the channel. I've actually taken it down. I shot it vertically. I have to do that. Vertically, horizontally. I shot it vertically. It was a learning experience. This is what our September bag looks like. It is very festive. My paperwork was outside the bag. Usually we have our information. Usually we have the information about what is in our glam bag. We don't this month, but that's okay. I brought Mr. iPad and he'll tell us everything we need to know. I just got onto my iPad so I'll be able to look up all of our information about what is in here. And it says you possess a rhythm entirely your own. So this month, celebrate your unique beauty with September's gorgeous ombre glam bag. Inspired by Hispanic and Latinx art, this colorful bag is packed with vibrant makeup and essential self-care products to give you the confidence to express yourself. So it's kind of neat. It has a backstory. When we open it up, it is pink on the inside with all of my goodies. The first thing we have out is Kapari. That is what it looks like. I can't even read this. It is so tiny on here. So it is the Kapari Beauty Niacinamide and Caffeine Eye Bright. It's a deluxe mini and it says, see in the dark circles. This lightweight and refreshing eye cream tackles your pesky eye troubles to help brighten them up in no time. With clinically backed active ingredients like niacinamide and caffeine, it helps reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness while also soothing and hydrating your skin. This is a tiny one, but I guess since it's an eye cream, it just really doesn't take much. Let me check out the ingredients. Of course, when reading the ingredients, I saw what I had already said. It has niacinamide in it, and I am avoiding niacinamide for a little bit just to see. I think it might be one of the things that aggravates my skin, so I will set this aside. Next, we have the Origins Ginseng Energizing Gel Cream with caffeine and niacinamide. So we have a theme this month in what they picked for me. This says it is a 0.5 ounce deluxe mini. Need an all-day moisturizer that won't tire when you do? Reach for this refreshing gel cream. The antioxidant-rich vitamin C, energizing caffeine from coffee beans, glow-getting ginseng, and fortifying niacinamide help to boost your skin's moisture levels and radiance from sunup to sundown. Okay, we will set this aside. I'm seeing a real caffeine niacinamide theme. Let's move on from it to hair. I bet that doesn't have it in it. This is High Performance Hair Care Lumiere de Super Comb Prep and Protect. I have actually used this before. As I recall, its best quality was it smelled really good. This says it is the #4 High Performance Hair Care Super Comb Prep and Protect. It is a 1 ounce leave-in conditioner, and it says hair in need of a pick-me-up. This lightweight leave-in conditioner helps instantly detangle your hair while also working to help strengthen and repair it. Plus, added color, UV, and heat styling protection means you can relax and let this treatment take care of your strands. Okay, well, if this is not just the cutest thing ever, look at that. It has a tiny little spoolie on this end. It's a little trial size, probably eyebrow. The $1 Billion Brows Mini Micro Pencil in Taupe. It is 0.002 ounces, and it's a deluxe sample. Build the brows of your dreams with this precision tip brow pencil that helps you create realistic brow hairs with every stroke. The buildable pomade formula goes on smoothly, no tugging or skidding here, and lasts all day, even in water. I will absolutely set this aside for travel because I have used the $1 Billion Brows before, and I love that this is just a cute little brow pencil, and it has the spoolie attached, so I don't have to take a spoolie too. I mean, oh my gosh, look at that. How cute is that? It's just a little spoolie. So cute. And last out, just happens to be my pick. This is a lippy from Shayna B. The color kind of looked like me, which is what drew me to it. And it is considered a deluxe mini, but you know what? This is probably the size that all lippies that I use should be because I can't be trusted to finish a lippy. Months ago, you know what? That's not even fair. It was back during when we were, you know, trapped inside. I put together boxes to do a declutter, and I've just never really had the time to do it. And now I wonder if it's even worthwhile, but I have like FabFitFun boxes full of eyeshadow palettes and lippies that I just didn't use or didn't get done. I used almost everything. When we're receiving so much, it's tough to finish everything. This is a 2.8 ml Deluxe Mini Lip Gloss. Maximize your lip lacquer's longevity with this long-wearing and ultra-hydrating gloss in the prettiest shimmering pink color. One swipe will get you high-def shine that doesn't fade or feel uncomfy on your lips. I have on a pretty shiny lip, but let's go ahead and throw a little bit of this over it and see if we can tell if it's there. But pink. I mean, I know it said it was pink, but I suspect if I didn't have lips on, you would be able to see the pinkness of it, which I kind of like. Just gave me a little more shine. It feels nice, and that is a great size to throw in your purse. So that was my Ipsy Glam Bag for September. We got this really cute bag. I received the hair prep, the ginseng gel moisturizer, the Kapari eye cream with niacinamide. Both of those had niacinamide. The little lippy, and this adorable $1 billion brow pencil. It is $13 plus $1.99 shipping and handling. I will put a link below. I am in no way affiliated with Ipsy. It's just a link to take you over in case you have any interest. If you are still here, we're going to do a little bit of a giveaway. I have been talking about, I just went past my 5-year anniversary doing YouTube. I can't believe it. It is amazing to me that it's already been 5 years. And actually, it kind of explains those boxes of lippies and shadow palettes that I was telling you about earlier. I have just put a few things together. Let me show you what I have. In this giveaway, what we are going to have is the Eau de Cité Le Bleu Balm Repair Balm. As I recall, you can use this on either your face or your body. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Resurfacing Micro Exfoliant. That is a full-sized. The Herbivore Moon Dew 1% bakuchiol and peptides. It's a retinol alternative eye cream. We just received that. Actually, is it a yeah, this is cream. I thought maybe it was a gel. We have a Larissa Cosmetics eyeshadow. It is, there we go. It is very neutral. I have the plastic cover on it. My finger over here isn't really touching the shadow palette. We have that in there. We have a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. We have a Pout Perfect by Ace Beauté. This was so pretty. The color is Manifest. It was a little too warm for me, perfect for the fall that's coming. But look how gorgeous that is. Can you guys see? It is such gorgeous packaging. I have that in there. We have the Yensa Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream. The First Aid Beauty 10% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. A couple more things. The Rail Beauty Collagen Plump and Smooth Mask. The Shades of Luminous by Trishelle J. This, I believe, is meant to be used like highlighters, but you could use it wherever you want for eyeshadows or whatever you would like. Very universal colors in there. And I threw in one of these brushes. This is kind of triangular shaped. I'm not going to take this off because I don't want to touch it. This is what I'm using every day for my contour. I find it so easy to just take one of the flat sides in there and kind of put it on, and then this is one of my favorites, and I received it in 2 boxes, so I'm passing one along. So that will be, let me tuck all of this back in here. This will be the first giveaway that we are doing. That is what it looks like. Okay, let's talk rules. I have Mr. iPad here, and in my notes, I keep my giveaway rules typed out to add to my description, so this is perfect. To be entered, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment below. I'm not going to attach any specific word to it, just give us a comment below. You must have a Continental US or Canadian address. You must be 18. I will notify the winner in a reply to your comment down below here. And when you hear from me, if you want to DM me, if you're on Instagram, or drop me an email, whichever works best for you. But I need to hear from you within 48 hours or we will draw the next winner. I use random comment picker to select the winner, so there's no need in leaving multiple contents. It weeds all of those out. You'll only have one entry. I cannot be responsible for your package once it has been placed in the mail. Privacy policy. See, with these here, I can tell you all the things I usually tell you to check out below. Privacy policy. Once the giveaway is over, I will shred and place in the trash your name and address and information immediately. We'll never share it with anyone. I may make an announcement of the winner's YouTube name, like Ellen was our chocolate winner. And this giveaway is in no way affiliated with YouTube or any of the products that I showed you. It's just me thanking you for being here through the 5 years. If you're new, if you've been around the whole 5 years time, I am so glad that you choose to spend any amount of time with me. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me know below. I will put all of those rules down in the description, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks, guys. Bye.